because you're an officer. Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody there.
The man took the I will not allow because he was chief of naval staff, and then for you to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop that?
You
will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up, you're not good officer.
I will not shut up.
Will you get up?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir,
I was in school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will you keep quiet? You're a big fool.
I'm not
You're a big fool.
I'm not a fool,
You can shoot anybody like that.
Sir, I'm not
You're
a fool.
Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I graduated, you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take from which order? You will see whether you love me here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go
I'm
and
an officer. I'm not a fool, sir. I'm an officer.
Why? How can that man at his level, even if he has a problem, he cannot reach me and say, look, I'm sorry, see what I have. He will send soldiers to intimidate who? We are all from this country. And this is government. You cannot be higher than any government. You cannot be carrying gun to intimidate people to not to do their work. Let me tell you, if not God chief of the first staff, who spoke to me now, you could have killed everybody here. No problem. I'm not one of those that they can intimidate. I'm doing my job.
We've just witnessed a very heated argument between you and the Nigerian. Can you take us back to when this started and what this is all about?
Well, it's unfortunate. And these are the kind of things that the past development. You are aware that the land department and the development control have been mandated to see where the illegal development going on and land grabbing. And when this was brought to my attention, I did instruct them to make sure that nothing takes place in as much as they do not have any legal papers in terms of regional approval or even the acquisition of the land. And when they came here, I was informed that the soldiers have the ability to chase them away. And I thought probably they will be acting illegally. And so today, when I was in the office, while they came to implement the directive that was given to them by myself, I was called that the military have taken over the place. And I had to come by myself to see things for myself. It's really unfortunate. And you heard what the officer said was sent by the former chief of naval staff. And I don't understand how somebody who attained that position, I see that he has a problem, cannot approach my office to say, look, this is what is going on, this is what is going on. Or simply because he's a military man, he could use that to intimidate Nigerians. I'm not one of those kind of persons that will succumb to blackmail or intimidation. And you can imagine where you cannot even prove where the documents. And the director of the control is there. I said, look, I was here. I said, bring the documents. You don't have the documents. Bring the approval for building. You don't have it. And how can we continue to allow lawlessness to prevail in this country? What about those who don't have the military? What about those who don't have security? It has gotten to a level where when government officials are carrying out their job, you go and bring security to intimidate them against government officials. I will not accept that. I've spoken to the chief of defense staff and I've spoken to the chief of naval staff, and they have assured me that please, they have to resolve the matter. And we're not coming here to have a shooter with anybody to cause chaos or not. But what I can say, I would not allow it to happen. The way we have done carried our jobs in other areas, in the same way it will be done here. He will not carry out this illegal development and land grab simply because he was the former chief of naval staff. I will not allow that. And that is really where we are.
I think we're okay. Thank you very much.
You will have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop it. and develop here. Let me see you.
Regular officer, you want to come and
We are going to get out.
I'm not even seeing what you're recording. Hello, sir.
Director Press.